Hi everyone! Today we are going to do one of my favorite science experiments, walking water. You're going to need some cups. I'm going to use 6, but you can do it with 3. You're going to need some food coloring. I'm using the 3 primary colors, blue, yellow, and red, but you can use whatever colors you want. Some water, and some paper towels. You need as many paper towels as you have cups. I like to take my paper towel and fold it to make it a little bit smaller. Here's my starting size. I fold it once, and then I fold it one more time, and I put a nice crease in there. To start, you're going to put water in. If you're using 6 cups, you're going to put water in 3 of them. If you're only using 3 cups, you're going to put water in 2 of them. For 3 cups, you would set them up like this. One on either side, you'll put your water in here and leave this one empty. For me, I am going to put water in my 3 cups with the pattern on the side. I didn't have enough cups that matched, so I am going to keep the plain cups as the ones that we're not going to put water in. Oh, and Frankie decided she was going to join us. Hi, Frankie. All right, so take your water, go ahead and pour it in. It's up to you how much water you use. This will go a little bit faster if you use a little bit less, but I think it's a bit more impressive to use more water. It's up to you, though. Pour your water in, make sure it's about even in all your cups. Now take your food coloring. It does not matter what order you go in. I'm going to start with blue because that's my favorite color. And put a couple drops of blue food coloring in. If you want to take a straw or a spoon and swirl it together to mix it, you can, but it will mix on its own. I'm just going to leave it. Next, I'm going to take my yellow. This might take a few more drops to make it more visible. So I used a lot of yellow. Finally, I'm going to use my red food coloring and put a couple drops of red in. All right. So you're going to give your water a few minutes to settle and get all mixed together, and then you'll be able to put the paper towels in. Once your water is all mixed together, and you can even give it a little swirl if you need to, just be careful if you use a lot of water. You are going to take your folded paper towel and you're going to hook it and place it one end in your water and one end in the empty cup. This experiment may take a little while to do. It's taken me up to 2 hours before, but I recommend about 30 minutes. This video is going to be in 2 parts if you want to try it on your own and you don't want me to spoil the experiment for you. So what do you think is going to happen when we put all of our paper towels in? Take your paper towel, place it in the water, place it in the cup. Take your next paper towel, place it in the water, place it in the cup. You're going to do this to all of your cups. It's okay if you have to bump it a little bit, but it is best that once the paper towel is in, that you leave it alone. If you have smaller paper towels, that would work. It's up to you. Now you're going to wait, and let's find out what happens.